Good morning, children. Welcome to the next session. Page number 121, Atmospheric Pressure and Wind. Let's see special winds around the earth. Cyclones. These are very strong wind which can blow at any place and time. Generally during the month of October and November, there is a low pressure or a depression created by a Bay of Bengal. Wind blow at a great speed towards the center, which is the eye of the storm. Cyclones have the center of low pressure which may last for a few days to a few hours. Cyclones are fierce storms and are affected by the Coriolis force. The wind blow in an anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in the clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. These winds bring heavy rain and cause great damage to place over which they pass. There are two types of cyclone: tropical cyclones and temperate cyclones. Tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclone starts within 8 degree to 15 degree, 20 degree north to and south of the equator, where surface sea temperature reaches 27 degrees Celsius. The air above the warm sea is heated and rises. This causes low pressure. The weather system produces heat which increases the wind speed. These causes the tropical cyclones to sustain itself. They are generally associated with high temperature and high humidity. They are usually small in size. Cyclone mostly occur in summer in the tropical region. The reason is cyclone require a sea surface temperature of about 26 degrees Celsius. To develop and maintain the strength, they also need a high relative humidity. These conditions are only found in the tropical oceans during summer. Therefore, cyclones are frequent in summer in the tropical region. They are called by different names in different parts of the world: typhoon in South China Sea, hurricanes in Caribbean Sea, willy willies in North Australia, tornadoes in USA. Origin. These are generally thermal in origin. They bring warm moist air to the land. This results in the formation of storm. Shape and size of tropical cyclones. They are mostly circular with low pressure in center, strong winds blowing in the rate of 100 to 150 kilometers per hour are common. The central part of the storm is known as the eye of the cyclone. The eye is usually between 30 to 50 kilometers across. It is an area of calm with light winds, no rain and clear sky. It contains descending air. They cause heavy damage to lives and property owing to the strong wind. The rainfall is torrential. They move from east to west. Temperate cyclones. They are common near subpolar local pressure belt, that is between 25 degree to 65 degree north and south. Hence the warm moist westerlies from the south converges with the polar easterlies from the north. The cold air mass is also known as front. This mass of warm air is known as warm front. When both these fronts meet, rainfall occurs. Front is the zone of contact between the two. They are more frequent in winter than in summer. Origin. They are on frontal origin. Temperate cyclones are much larger than tropical cyclone. These cyclones are oval in shape. Wind here are of moderate velocity. Temperate cyclones are accompanied by alternating anticyclones. These cyclones do not cause much damage to life and property but bring sudden changes in weather. Tornadoes. They pass over the ground for a few minutes only. They form center of low pressure and are associated with strong wind. They occur in the Mississippi Valley of USA. A tornado or a twister forms over the land. It is more destructive than a cyclone. Anticyclone. Anticyclones are opposite of cyclone. An anticyclone is a high pressure area in the northern hemisphere. Winds blow in a clockwise spiral away from the center, while the southern hemisphere they blow in an anti-clockwise spiral. They are associated with fine weather. The weather in an anticyclone is stable with clear skies. Anticyclones are more stable while cyclones are dynamic. Anticyclone condition occur during winters. Cyclones and anticyclones. See the difference? It is a low pressure system with surrounding high pressure. Anticyclone, it is a high pressure system with sounding low pressure. It blows anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and blow clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Anticyclone, it blow clockwise in the northern hemisphere. And it is associated with cloudy sky and very heavy rain, usually accompanied by strong wind. It is blows anti-clockwise in the southern hemisphere. It is associated with clear sky, mild winds and dry conditions. It can cause great damage to life and property. It causes the weather to be stable and pleasant. So children, here we end our lesson. I hope you will go through the video and try to understand the lesson. Please be there for the next session. Thank you very much for your cooperation.